everyone, welcome back to another video of Shreya Coder. In today's video we are going to do the most important topics of Python, which is variables. Variables are at the core of programming. If you learn it, you will get success in your Python learning. In today's video we will cover all the topics from basics to advanced concepts. So let's get started. So what exactly is a variable? In Python, a variable is like a container where you can store data. For example, let us imagine it like a box. You can put anything inside the box like a number, a word and a whole list of things, and you can use it whenever you need it. Same in Python, variables are stored data temporarily and use it throughout a code. Here, for example, I have written x is equals to 5, means x is the variable which stores the value 5 and name is the variable which stores the value Shreya. But how we'll use this? To use this, the most basic function to use variables is print. Using print, we can make these variables useful. Like we are printing x means prints the value 5 and name means prints the value Shreya. So here you can see that printing x means 5 and printing name means Shreya. So now let's talk about rules and conventions about variables. We can't just name anything in variables. For example, let me tell you the 3 rules that we have. Variable name must start with a letter A to Z, that can be uppercase letters or lowercase letters or an underscore. Then after that, the name can contain letters, numbers 0 to 9 and underscore, but it cannot start with a number. It means that we can name a variable which includes letters, numbers and underscores, but a variable name cannot start with a number. Variable names are case sensitive, means name with an N uppercase letter and name in lowercase letter are 2 different variables. For example, I have some valid variable names here. You can see name is equals to Krishna, underscore age is equals to 24, employee 1 is John. These are variable names which are valid, and if you will name one name is equals to error, when you will run this, it will give you an error. Let me show you how it will give an error. See, one name is equals to error, invalid decimal literal, means we cannot use these type of variable names. What about different data types? Can we work with different data types in variable? Yes, we can work with different data types in variable. A variable can work with numbers, text, lists, dictionaries and any complex data type that we have in Python. So here we have integers. What are integers? Integers are the whole number like 10, 12, 13 and so on. So here I have given an integer 10 in to the variable age, where I have printed and used type function here to check which type of variable it is. Next, I have used floats. Floats are the decimal values which is used in Python, and strings. Strings are used as text, means we store text values in strings. Booleans are true and false logics, like if we want to use any true and false value, we will use boolean data types. Lists are the data types which contains multiple values in square brackets, and we will learn about this in brief in our next videos. Don't worry about this. Point here is that variables can work with any type of data and it determines on its own, and if you want to know about how the data is, you can use type function, as you will know which data type is used here. Typecasting. What is typecasting? Sometimes we want to convert a variable into an integer or any other data type. So how we'll do it? We do it using typecasting. For example, if we have taken an user input and it has given us a number, but it is an user input, so Python will take it as an string only. So to convert this, we can use integer int to convert this to an integer value. So let us do here. For example, I have a variable x is equals to input, enter a number, and I am going to print its type. So you can see it's string type. But if we want to convert this, we can do that. We can make y is equals to int x, and then print type y. So now you can see it is converted into integer. That's how typecasting is used, and it is used in data sets which use a specific format to be used. Did you know that we can multiple assign values to variables in a single line? Let's check how it works. For example, here we are giving A, B and C the variable names and the values as 12, 13 and 14, and then we'll print A, B, C. Let's see it's working or not. Yes, it's working correctly, means it's giving input output as 12, 13 and 14. Even if we want to swap two variables, we can easily do that, like x is equals to 10 and y is equals to 5. And if we want to swap it, we can use x comma y is equals to y comma x, and then we'll print x comma y. So let's see the output. The output is given 5 comma 10, means 5 is y value which comes first and 10 is the x value which comes at the last, means the value. Now let's take a quick look at how variables manage the memory locations. Means when we assign values like x is equals to 10 and y is equals to x, it saves their memory location. But if we reassign a value x is equals to 20, it doesn't change the value of x because it saves new location for x but doesn't save new location for y, because we have not changed y is equals to x again, we have not written it again, means it will not change the value for y, it will only change the value for x, like print x and print y. So you can see 20 and x is printing the value 20 which we have reassigned, and y is printing the x value which was its previous value because we have not reassigned it as y is equals to x again. And that's a wrap for this video. Today we covered everything about variables in Python, from the basics to the advanced topics. I hope this deep dive has helped you gain a solid understanding of how variables work in Python. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding!